So we're about to start kayaking down the little Cahaba, and this leads into the real Cahaba. We're
all right, ready to go.
Ready to go. Should be pretty fun. Can't wait. Went through our first little shoal. The bridge is back there. I don't know if I can turn my head enough so you can see my dad. He's steering. So we're underway. Caught my first fish of the trip, a monster. This could be interesting. Holy shit. Woo! Ah! It's so cold. Oh my gosh, I'm soaked. Oh, I have prevented getting my shorts and underwear wet up until that point. And that got me wet. And it's cold. Woo! There we go. One down. Right, a little bit to the right. Yeah, right in the middle. Right. Right. Woo. Almost got a rock right there. Woo. Nice. Yeah, normally this ridge underneath the stab will be exposed. Yeah. So yeah, we took a break and we are walking through a field that we found on the side of the little Cahaba. It's pretty. Guess you like Alabama. Nice little red flowers. Woo! Sharp maneuverage. Gonna get a little bumpy. Woo! shallow. Oh, God. Every time, it never gets any less cool. Whew. The little Cahaba is joining the big Cahaba right here and making a massive Cahaba.
The mother of all Cahabas.
Yeah. So I'm putting sunscreen on and it's old and it's making me solid white. It's a nice rock structure.
It's funny how you get those cracks starting to go in there. Something will snap off of it.
Yeah. So we are to the bridge. That was awesome. What, 4 hours, Dad?
Look at all those birds, yes. On the
So
upper left.
4 hour trip
See all
to
the
go 9
stars?
miles, probably 10. 9 was my estimate doing a Google map point to point. But got some sparrows or something circling around. I don't know if you'll see those.
Nest there at the top.
Oh yeah, a bunch of nests right up under the bridge right here. I guess they keep the mosquitoes down here. Hopefully the gnats too. Had a little issue with gnats earlier, but super fun. Not a lot of fish caught, but a whole bunch of rapids. That was awesome. So anyway, enjoy the video. Over and out, as Brian would say.